So in today's class, I'm going to explain you about Java logics. So in the last lecture, we have discussed about what exactly the loops, and I gave you just what exactly like while loop, for loop, and do while. But today, how you will get the logics in the interview and how they people are asking and how to solve those different logics that we will understand in today's class. So today we will understand the logic number one is how to check whether given number is prime or not. So logic is write a Java program to check whether given number is prime or not. So first of all, what is prime number that you need to understand? Sir, prime number means what? Suppose example, I gave the 5. So we have to find out the factors of 5. So how many factors are there? We can divide 5 with 1 and 5. We cannot divide 5 with any other number. So if your number is having minimum, only 2 factors, then that is known as prime number. Prime number means a number which is divisible by 1 and itself is known as prime number. Suppose example, we are having 6. How many factors we are having for the 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Total 4 factors. So it is a prime number? No. So that is nothing but prime number definition. So how we can solve this program in Java, that we will understand. So let us start with the programming. So I will continue with the Sublime text editor. Take a new file. Class. The class name is prime number. I'm finding prime number. Then it will take a method called public static void main in bracket string args. Now we are reading the number. How to read the number? By using wrapper class. Already we discussed in the last lecture. So integer dot parseInt in bracket args of 0. Okay. Now the thing is, sir, how I will check whether the given number is prime or not? So we need to find the factors. So what I will do here, I will take the 2 variables. One, I will take the starting value, because suppose example number I gave 10. So we need to check whether 1, 2, 3, 4 means all the numbers or factors are there or not. For that we need a starting value. I will take C. C is nothing but it will count how many factors are there. 2 things it will do. Now, and here instead of A, I will take it N. N is nothing but number, meaningful. Okay. Now I will repeat, I will use the while loop. While I less than or equals to N. Sir, I is nothing but starting value and N is nothing but whatever the number I give up to that number. Suppose example, I value is 1, N value is 10. So it will repeat the code 1 to 10. Okay. In that one, what I will do, first I will write the logic and then line by line I will explain you. Then you will understand easily. I will write if it is true, then C++. I will explain everything. Just give me a minute. Otherwise, I++. Okay. Up to here, first we will discuss the logic. Sir, in my program, we are having the I value. I am having the C logic, nothing but count. I am having the number N. Okay. So in my program, suppose I took N value 7. What I do? N value 7. Now, what I will do, first I will check 1 less than or equals to 7, because I value is 1, N value is 7. Condition true or false? True. It will come inside. Now, what we are doing here, we are dividing N with I. So N with I. N value is 7 and I value is 1. So N is 7 is divisible with 1? Yes. If it is divisible, the value, then remainder is 0. So definitely 7 is divisible with 1, remainder will come 0. If this condition is true, then C++, nothing but count will increment. It means what? We found one number which is divisible. Okay. Now, so 1 is divisible, 7 is divisible with 1, so count is incremented. Okay. Then. After completion of this logic, I++, I value is 2. Sir, why I wrote I value outside the if statement? Because whether this condition is true or false, I must be compulsory executed. That's why. Now again it will repeat, it will check 2 less than or equals to 7. I value is 2, n value is 7. 2 less than or equals to 7, condition true. It will come inside. Again, 7 is divisible with 2. Answer is no, it is not divisible with 2. So if it is not divisible with 2, C++ will not increment. Directly what it will increment? If it is not incrementing, directly I++. Now it will become 3. Again, 3 less than or equals to 7, true. It will come inside. 7 modulus 3 means 7 is divisible with 2, then only the remainder will 0. But as per the program, 7 is divisible with 3. Remainder is what? 1, because it is not divisible. Simple. If it is divisible, C will increment. If it is not divisible, C will not increment. So 7 is not divisible with 3, so C will not increment. Directly I++, it will become 4. Next, 4 less than 7, true. 7 is divisible with 4, no. So C will not increment, but I will increment. Then 1 less than or equals to 7, 5 less than or equals to 7, true. 7 is divisible with 5, no. So it will not increment. Directly I will be increment. Then 6 less than or equals to 7. 7 is divisible with 6. No. So I will be increment, that is 7. See, C will not increment until it is not divided. Now 7 is divisible less than or equals to 7. True. 7 is divisible with 7. Yes. C will be incremented. That is how much? 2. Now I++, it will become 8. 7 less than or equals to 8. False. So now what will happen? This for loop will come out from this loop. Okay. Now as per our condition, what is the meaning of prime number? If my C value equals to 2, if this is true, then I will say system dot out dot println n is a prime number. N is a prime number. Else, what I will say, n is not a prime number. System dot out dot println, and here I will write n is not a prime number. Okay, all of you clear? Now what I will do, I will delete all this stuff and let us save and compile the program. When we save the program, prime number dot java, and I will take a new folder here. For this I will write here Prsoftwares training institute. One folder I created, and inside this folder I will save my data. It is saying already that things are available. Let us change the name. I will just write Prsoftwares 1. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is also available. Let me just write then Java Prsoftwares. Okay, this will not get shown. Java Prsoftware folder, inside that prime number.java. Okay, so my program got set. How to run? Go to the command prompt, D drive. Their folder name is what? CD prime number.java. Sorry. What is my location first? Java Prsoftware is my folder, and inside that I have to write. What will write? Java C space prime number.java. First it will check the any error is there or not. There is no error. Now Java space prime number, and I will check 7. 7 is a prime number. I will check 8. 8 is not a prime number. Why? Because 1, 2, 4 and 8, there are 4 factors are there, so that is not a number. So like this we can check whether the given number is prime or not. I hope everybody is clear. Okay, thank you.